Hello friends, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to see how to create an AWS free tier account. As I discussed in our previous lecture, we need an AWS account to set up our Linux server. Creating an AWS account is also helpful for you if you are using AWS or DevOps services in the later point of time. Now let's go and see how can we set up an AWS account. Open Google page and type for AWS free tier account. The first page itself shows us that aws.amazon.com free. Click on this. Here you have a option to create a free account. Let's create it. Here provide email ID and password and the AWS account name. Continue to create. Next, you can choose whether it is a professional account or personal account. In my case, I am leaving it as a professional account. You can change it to the personal if you are creating for your own. I have provided my information over here. In your case, you should fill with your information. Then click here and create account and continue. Here you need to provide your credit or debit card information to proceed further. I have provided my card information and you can provide your PAN card details if necessary. Then click on verify and add. Now they are going to validate your card by deducting 2 rupees in Indian currency. If it is other country, they are going to deduct according to their local currency. I'm providing my OTP and submit. It is verifying my payment information. If it is valid one, it takes us to the next page. Next thing is confirm your identity. Now we need to provide our phone number so that they are going to validate with either text message or voice call. I'm in India, so country and region name is +91. I have given my mobile number and send SMS rather than voice call. Now I'm going to receive a 4 digits verification code. I need to provide here to validate. Verify code. Okay, my identity has been verified successfully and continue. Now we came to the select a support plan page. Let me increase font size. Here AWS offers 3 types of plans, that is basic plan, development plan and business plan. If you go with the development plan, you can see the what and all options you are going to get. They will give technical support, and if you go for business plan, even here also you are going to get technical support, but the response could be quicker than the development plan. In basic plan, they don't give any technical support, but for us it is learning purpose. Let's create a free tier account. We have created our AWS account. If you would like to share your role and interest with AWS, then you can provide this information. Otherwise, you can go here and choose AWS Management Console. Now we came to AWS sign-in page. We are going to use root user. We should provide our email ID to log into account. If you don't have account, still you can create it from here by choosing option called create a new AWS account. I have provided my email ID. Next, I'm providing my password and sign in. Now I have logged into my AWS console, and if you want to see all services, you can click over here. But among these many services, we are going to use only one service for our Linux practice, that is EC2 service under compute. So let's click over here. If you see here, our account is not yet activated fully because we might be missing one of these steps. I know that I haven't validated my email ID yet. They are going to send an verification email ID to our account within 24 hours, but usually they don't take much time. I might have received an email from AWS by this time. Let me log into my Gmail account and check it out. If you see here, I have received two emails from AWS. One is welcome to AWS Web Services. Another one is your account is ready. Let me see what is here. And they are asking me to click here to access my account. Let's click here. Okay, this is billing dashboard. And let's go to EC2 service. All right. Now I could able to access my EC2 services. So it means that my account is activated now. Now we can create EC2 instances from here. How to provision a Linux EC2 instance we are going to see in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. See you there.